How to change the default browser on iPhone. Let's see how it's done. On iPhone, Safari is the default browser. I will show you how to change another browser as your default. First, open the Settings app. Next, in the Settings app, tap the Apps tab and open it. Next, we need to select the browser app that we want to set as a default browser on the iPhone. Look for the browser app you want to set as the default from the list. I want to set Chrome as the default browser, so tap on the browser. Next, tap on Default Browser app on this screen. On this screen, you will find all the browser apps installed on the iPhone. You can select the browser you want to set as the default browser. I want to select Chrome as my default browser. And done. Chrome is now set as the default browser. With this, we have reached the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.